1805, Tupahi came to Parramatta, where he lived at Old Government House. He stayed with MacArthur and Macquarie, and also with King, and at Old Government House, which is actually behind us. He learned about the wheat trade, the wool trade, and he returned back to the Bay of Islands with a house and a medal, which is also known as the Tupahi Medal. He paved the way for his whanaunga to come to Parramatta, and we're talking people like Kawiti, Ruatara. We had many, many visitors over those years. The relationship with the local tangata whenua is interesting. There are some issues, but in the main, we are forging relationships. We are trying to build and mend bridges that were broken way back 200 years ago and have also had problems today. I'm the historian for Parramatta City Council on Māori in Parramatta. One of the big problems is that if you repeat a myth enough, it becomes a fact. Rangihoa is actually up the river in salt water. Where Ruatara's farm is, the evidence is pointing down the river, just past Old Government House, where the river turns from salt water to fresh water. And we believe that the farm that Ruatara farmed was actually on Marsden's land, which was not up the river at Rangihoa. He did not get that land until the 1820s. Ruatara was here a lot earlier, and in 1811 there is evidence where Marsden writes to Josiah Pratt, and he talks about taking Kawiti to Ruatara's farm. Now he says, we took the chaise and we went to the farm where Kawiti began to mark out a line. I asked him what he was doing, and Kawiti replied that he was marking out a farm to bring back 100 men. Marsden then gives this throwaway line where he says, I will give you as much land as you like if you start tomorrow. But that wasn't at Rangihoa. Rangihoa does not happen until 1824. There is a letter that Marsden writes where he says that today I have marked out a seminary on the north side of the river. We have started work on it, and that was 1824. So Māori that came to Parramatta before that, and when we talk about chief's sons, we talk about the seminary, they did not live at Rangihoa. They lived at Marsden's parsonage, which was down on the corner of Church and George Street. They also lived at his other parsonage, which is up where the old Parramatta Girls High School is.